Today we are gonna have a look on this bathroom fan, but first please have a look down in the description. There is a link of my second channel. On that channel I do really cool stuff, some electronic projects, and please have a look and subscribe. So here I have a bathroom fan. This is a brand which I don't want to advertise, but this brand had made very bad products, and they had a lot of failures. I am not interested in doing a bad name to somebody, so I put a marker over the brand. You think that is your bathroom fan, this brand is your bathroom fan made. It probably isn't, because this brand is, I think, they stopped producing some time ago, and I probably think that it could be the cause that they didn't produce well-made products. So first, the story. This bathroom fan was working at my work, and one day it went down, and I've been asked from my boss if I can change or take away the bathroom fan from the toilet room, and we gave it to, I think you call it reclamation, when you go back to the store with the product and you ask for new or for repair, you know, when it isn't longer than 2 years. You understand what I mean. So, but interesting fact, what was at that time when I took first time this fan away, that inside the tube where this fan was put, there was a bird nest. A bird nest was there, and it blocked quite a bit the way the air could flow. So that could be the problem why that fan stopped working. And we get a new fan or a repair, or this one could be repaired, and then we put it back. We also put there a grill outside, so no another bird could get and make its nest inside the tube. So this fan was working, I think, maybe 5 years, and after 5 years it stopped work. And I wanted to go and change the new fan and take away this one, because I wanted to take it home and have a look what exactly could be wrong in this fan. The cause was immediate, because when I took away this fan, this I don't know how you call this. This was inside the tube, this part of fan, and it's fairly loose. You can have a look on that part. It seemed that this part has been loose on this axle, and this seems to me that this part wasn't put on this part quite well. It seems so. So this could be the cause, but this could be only on this particularly one product, the failure. Perhaps maybe some temporary worker who has the job to put this metal part inside here had made sloppy job. It could be, who knows. But probably this is one bad design. What we can have a look on exactly. I see, oh, more light is better. I see this is nearly on the upper side, so this could be bad. So we are going to have a look inside. This fan is with the timer, and also with this let's call it door or something. These doors opened after some time of operation, and it allows flow the air in and out, and after the fan is turned off, it closes. So it's also a good thing to have. Here were some terminals, and also as you can see here is somehow the first electrician or maintenance worker who installed this fan had some trouble, because I see two holes, and I know that this one was used. So this was quite interesting fact. What I would like to say, I would like to help if somebody will Google this video, how you can connect this type of fans with timer. It is nothing difficult. You need to make sure that you have the norm about which I am going to talk about. You need to have we in Europe have here TNC norm, which has 3 wires. One is black, it is live. Second is N, is neutral, is blue wire, and the third is yellow and green, it's earth wire. So on this fan wasn't connected the earth wire, because it has the double shielding, so it wasn't necessary. So here was connected only the blue wire and neutral, and then it was connected here permanent live wire. So here was brought on this terminal, which I took away when I was disassembling this from the wall, this fan. So here was brought the live wire from circuit breaker, which had permanent live here, and here was brought live wire switching, I would call it, switched from the switch what you have in bathroom for the light. So that switched live wire was brought here, and this made just signal for the timer when to start counting down the time. So it was nothing difficult. So here was the terminal which I cut these pieces out because I didn't want to stop the power because I didn't have a light. I didn't have any trouble to take it away. Here is, as you can see, I don't know how you call it, but it isn't light bulb, it's some kind of glowing bulb. So let's have a look on the timer, which I am very curious to see. And also first we can have a look on this part, which opens and closes the what I call door here. I'm curious what makes it move. I don't know, because it closes automatically without any power. It closes slowly, so it's interesting. But this part is not likely to go down. You can probably in advance use it in some latching mechanism for you, for some doors. So here is the timer. It seems all right. Nice circuit. SMD components, some through-hole components. It seems that the capacitor dropper circuit was here to step down the voltage and power necessary circuit. Here is maybe some MOSFET for turning these two things, the motor and this shutter, or what it is. So excuse my English, I am not good at English, and I would like to say, if you are boring at watching this video, you can skip the video or watch it at 2x speed or watch something else. So this part looks like to be well made to me. Maybe this MOSFET was too weak that this could go down, but who knows. Like this, I can't spot bad design. It would be necessary to have a look on data sheets. So this maybe is probably good. Let's have a look on the motor. It's quite noisy. There is nearly nothing to disassemble. Do you know what? I don't need this part. I'm going to disassemble this. We can have a look inside. So we could take this out. It's not willing to go. It can be interesting to see inside. Oh, it was spring there. Quite powerful one. What is this? I can tell you, I see this for first time. Interesting. Is it magnetic? Doesn't seem to. Also, what is this? Is it a fuse? Is it the capacitor? I don't know. So sorry that I can't explain this part to you, but I really don't know. But certainly it is something on which is brought some electricity. I don't know. I think I can only hope it is so. And this center part goes out, maybe, or who knows. Interesting. So we have the shutter out. We can have a look on the motor. This probably is garbage, so I only show it and then I throw it. And here was said the name of our company where I work, so it probably could be in manufacturer's hands and doing some repair work on that, so, and then brought back to our company. Now, how can I disassemble this? That's interesting. This looked quite loose to me. Very loose. Nothing interesting there. Here is a motor. The motor from this fan. Two windings, no more. Nothing difficult. I have also tried this motor put on 230 volts, and it seems that it doesn't work. It maybe went down when it wasn't under the load, because it maybe needs this fan to work properly, and probably when it isn't under the load it can destroy itself, maybe. So nothing interesting on this, because here are rivets and I don't think that I can somehow, I can drill it out, but I'm not willing to. I'm going throw it into recycling. But there is this part on which we can have a look and probably have fun with this a little. So I am going temporarily take it, put it back and have a look what will happen. Interesting, very interesting to me. So watch this, I am going to put it on power. It has a power, direct 230 volts. I hope no sparking. Nothing happened. Does it need this thing? I don't think so. No bad smell. Oh, maybe it is something about heat. I have turned it off. Oh yes, it's going. And I think, yes, I have turned it off. Oh, it's very warm. It is hot. It is hot. I am going to continue. Yes. Probably it is a piston with gases or something. I hope that it will not explode with some force. So it is interesting. So this piston forces this part to go out and open the doors for the fan after it is warmed. So it's nice, very hot, very interesting part. So this plastic material needs to be very heat resistant. Very interesting. So until now it was a mystery for me how this operates. And in that case, this can be a resistor which the current, which should decrease the current and even more warm this thing up. So interesting. And now as it cools down, it will slowly go back the piston. So I think this is all for this teardown. Not much here. Please have a look on that link down in the description. Please have a look on my second channel, MDF Rescuer, where I do different stuff, electronics and electronic projects. Thanks for watching.